In today's video, we're going to learn about printmaking. Printmaking allows an artist to make copies of one image over and over. Pretty cool, right? Now, I'll show you how it works. The first two steps are to draw with a pencil into a piece of styrofoam and color it with marker. The process is pretty easy, but there's some important things that have to happen. The most important thing is that when you draw your design, you have to press your lines kind of deep. So use your pencil firmly so that the lines are not shallow. When you color with marker, you should still be able to see some of your design. Well, pretty much all of your design, right? Next, it's important to fill your space so that it's not empty and flat. What you draw is totally your choice, so be creative. All right, let's see that again. It's like magic. The paper that your styrofoam printed onto is called a print. The styrofoam is called a plate. Clean your plate, wipe it dry, and then you can color it and print again to make many copies. It's so cool. Look how I'm also cleaning up my workspace really quick and checking that my styrofoam plate is dry. Color the corners after holding your plate still. See, if you don't hold your plate, it wiggles all over the table. So I noticed that the ink stuck to my fingers. After I was finished coloring, I took a moment to just check the edges and I filled it back in with a little color. Before printing, make the paper damp with water, but make sure it's not dripping. This paper had been sprayed with a spray bottle. I folded it in half and rubbed the back so that the paper could get a little bit more dry. Once it looked like it was not too shiny, I very carefully took my colored plate, just simply colored with marker. I did not wet the plate, and I just pressed it onto the wet paper. And then I gently held it down without letting it wiggle. I think it sticks to my hand when I picked it up and it moved, but luckily my paper didn't get too messy. There's my copy. Let's see that again. Clean your plate. Wipe your work spot. Add color. And happy printmaking!